Is there any red bumpy rashes that develops over your skin folds, behind your knees, your elbows, your skin folds on your neck? Then you might be having eczema. I am Dr. Venu from GLOJAS. I'm here to speak about eczema. What is eczema? Eczema is the most common skin issue nowadays that typically appears in childhood and can progress in your adulthood. The causes of this major issue could be the combination of genetic and environmental factors. So you can inherit propensity of eczema from your parents. It's usually inherited with ectopic triads along with seasonal allergies and asthma. Environmental allergies can totally trigger it though when you're surrounded with things that can cause you allergy, such as dust, mites, or wearing a very itchy material like wool. If you have allergies and sensitivity to fragrance or any other skin product, you can also cause this eczema to occur.